This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Press the release button and open the tailgate. Rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise and pull back the trim panel to access the rear light. Lift the clip and pull the bulb holder assembly from place. Press in the bulb, rotate it anti-clockwise a little, and pull it from the bulb holder. Align the bayonet pins of the bulb with the slots in the holder, then press it in and twist it clockwise to secure. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. The pins are offset. Press the bulb holder assembly into the rear light cluster. Ensure the clip engages. Refit the trim panel and press on the fasteners to secure them.